This question is about various conventions and the purpose of that convention. So Rotterdam Convention. Rotterdam Convention, these are all actually related to the hazardous substances. So Basel Convention, Stockholm Convention, Rotterdam Convention are related to this dealing with the hazardous chemicals and hazardous waste. Okay. So the given first statement, the Rotterdam Convention for cooperative efforts on the trade on certain hazardous chemicals, that is what you call prior informed consent regarding mutual trade while trading two countries, suppose A and B, while trading hazardous substances, that prior informed consent about the detailed disclosure, like this product, suppose product X, which contain this many chemical, this amount of chemical, they should declare actually before exporting to country B. So that is the Rotterdam Convention. Hence, that is correct statement. Stockholm Convention, actually, if you see below, the Stockholm Convention is on persistent organic pollutants. Okay, it is not about transboundary movement of hazardous substances. So Stockholm Convention, actually, it should be like to prohibit, eliminate the production of persistent organic pollutants. And next, Basel Convention is on the control of transboundary movement of hazardous waste. So Basel Convention is actually this one. So actually, it was wrongly given. Hence, only option A is correct. So once again, I am repeating. Rotterdam Convention is about the trade of certain hazardous chemicals. It is also known as prior informed consent. Stockholm Convention is about the eliminate the production and the use of persistent organic pollutants. It is also known as dirty dozen. Okay, dirty dozen is comes under this Stockholm Convention. Next is Basel Convention is about controlling the transboundary movement of hazardous waste. Okay, so that is about this question. Next question. It is about the Global Assessment Report on Disaster Risk Reduction. So, Global Assessment Report on Disaster Risk Reduction. So, this is published, this GAR. Okay, this Global Assessment Report on DRR, Disaster Risk Reduction, is published biannually. That is a tricky part actually. So the first statement it is given, it is an annual report. No, it is not annual report, but it is published by the United Nations Office for Disaster Risk Reduction, UNDRR. That part is true, but this part is not true. So that's why the entire statement is wrong. Can be considered as wrong statement. Next, it is the product of the contributions of both the public and private entities working on disaster risk related science and research and member countries. This is true. Okay, it as can be seen in the explanation part, it is the product of the contributions of nations, public and private disaster risk related science and research among others. So option 2 is statement 2 is right, statement 1 is wrong. Hence option B, that is only statement 2 is right answer.